Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm with my buddy Anthony. He's currently fixing his door, but I'm about to head off 30 miles that direction and we're gonna get some good wrenching in on the Mustang. We got a whole bunch of new parts to install today. I already did install a short shifter and some headlights, but unfortunately I forgot to bring my camera. So I did record a little bit on my phone. I haven't decided if I'm gonna include that footage. If I do, it'll be at the end. If you guys are new viewers out there, you want to be subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Also, we got to stop at Walmart on the way for tools. I know I'm using Walmart tools to install eBay parts on a cheap Mustang, whatever. So I just got to Walmart and I'm walking through these aisles. We got to get these tools. We actually only need like this $12 wrench set. It's the one I always buy just because it's so cheap and so replaceable. Finally found the tools. Where are we going? We just need, it's literally just the basic socket set. I get it every time. I think it's this one. Actually, it's that one. But they don't have that one right now because somebody else went and bought that one. That sucks. Look at this one. I know you should get this one. This comes with more. Plus, a little more convenient too. Okay guys, so the plan of action for today is we're gonna replace this alternator, replace the serpentine belt, replace the water pump, and then if we can get to it, we're gonna also replace this radiator with this brand new 2-row all aluminum radiator from G+ Performance. That dog is still barking. He just wants to be loved. That's totally okay. But we're gonna get to it, and yeah, cool. Up. Putting the corner lights on the Mustang, so they fit very nicely. I like how they look. And I got the bulbs in, so gives it a nice little aggressive stance, I think. Gonna need some new wheels and tires because during transport these tires went flat and this wheel just can't hold any air. But if I'm gonna replace one, I'm just gonna replace them all. And that's actually going to happen at the same time that I do these wheel bearing assemblies. So we'll have brand new wheel bearing assemblies and brand new wheels and tires to go with it. And we'll probably do coilovers at a later time. This is the outgoing alternator. This is the brand new one. You guys can see the side-by-side comparison. This one is past it. It was a remand already. Just disgusting and corroded and was probably gonna go soon. We got this beautiful example alternator looking really good. Excited to install it. Hopefully it'll last in the car for a very long time. No hesitation to spin. This one is kind of it spins, but it's just there's a lot of give in the actual pulley part. But I'm gonna get this new one on and plug up the essentials and we'll go from there. Installed, I still need to connect the wiring and whatnot, but it did just start raining, so probably gonna have to come back to this another day. I might just wait, see if this little rain shower wants to end before making my next decision. But you know, we had to refuel, so we showed up to Taco Bell. Gonna get some healthy food at Taco Bell. You know, Taco Bell is the healthiest Mexican food restaurant in the country. This is soul food. I'm gonna be really full after this, but man, this looks delicious. Done eating, guys. Pretty full if I'm being honest, but we're gonna head back to the Mustang, get some more parts on it, hopefully. It's currently 1 o'clock. Gonna end up connecting the grounding cable to the alternator, which is really just right behind this bolt. Then I'll plug in the harness to it. That should be it as far as this installation goes, minus the belt, obviously. Just put the shit there. All right, grounding cable. That goes in there. So at the moment, I'm removing the upper radiator hose, and I'm about to remove this lower radiator hose. Then I'll remove this thermostat right here, and then I'll remove this radiator. So I got the old radiator out, guys, and the old hoses. Look how rusty that is on the inside. That is disgusting. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but oh my gosh, it is just atrocious. But this is the old radiator. We're getting out with the old, and we're gonna go in with the new. So this is the G Plus Performance 2-row all aluminum radiator for manual transmission Mustang GTs. This is the stock one. You guys can see the difference in thickness. The stock thickness being a single row, and the new all aluminum radiator being a double row. The new radiator is installed. I don't have the hoses yet, so I'll have to install the hoses at a later time, but she fits in there nice and snug. I'll put this shroud fan back on and probably actually wrap it up for the day. So my new coolant hoses are in. These are the silicone, rated for I think 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So these will be more than adequate for this application. If this ever sees more than 500 degrees, we're kind of in trouble. But yeah, all silicone, and these are also by G Plus Performance. Same people I got my radiator through. These are now fastened and on. Looking really good. Got both the upper and the lower hose on. I will have to take it back off when the water pump and thermostat come in, but yeah, they're just on there now. Haven't put any coolant in the radiator yet. I'll also end up putting some coolant and doing the whole thing, whole shebang, whenever the water pump gets here. So unfortunately, the new radiator didn't have a place to mount the fan shroud. Not a problem. There's a little bracket down there that it's sitting on, and I took a bolt and a nut, gave it a good old college try, so this shouldn't go anywhere. And if it does, then we have some serious problems. I put the tensioner back on. I did take it off because at first it didn't want to move, but now it's moving and going on and off, going up and down freely. Alternators installed, new radiator, hoses. It's coming together. We still need to get the throttle body before we close this bad boy up, add some coolant and start it. But we're getting super close, guys, and I'm pretty excited. Okay guys, so we are just now wrapping up with this 95 Mustang GTS. Today we replaced the alternator, we replaced the radiator, we replaced the radiator hoses, the upper and the lower. We're still waiting on the water pump and the thermostat, but that's old news. Once those come in the mail, we will replace those as well. I did notice that this back wheel is not keeping any air. This is the third time that I've had to fill it up in the last month and a half, so I'll actually just be replacing the wheels and tires. When that happens, I don't know, probably here in a few weeks. Headlights are on and they look rather good if you ask me, and the short shifter is in as well. Super excited to see where this build goes after this, but this is gonna be really, really nice when it's done. One thing I did forget to add is the serpentine belt, but we'll put that on after the water pump and the thermostat come in. If you guys are new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below what you guys want to see in future videos. I'm Cameron. This is my 1995 Mustang GTS. And on cars like these that need all new front accessories and an ignition system and whatnot, you guys just got to get to it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.